Okay, the first thing you want to do if you work on an airbag is to disconnect the battery, because you don't want that airbag going off in your face. So that's pretty simple on this car. The battery's right here. Okay, wait a full 10 minutes before you work on this airbag to make sure there's no residual electricity lurking around the car. Now there's these little access holes. See, it's got a little slot. You can get your screwdriver in there and take these out. And there's one on the other side as well that you can take out. Once you get these out, like that, it's the same thing on this side. I've already done it. Then you can see that there's a little slot right here and a wire. You're gonna pull that up, and that's gonna release one of the bolts that holds the airbag in. But there's one here, there's one here, there's one there. So that means that this is the easy one. The other ones are up here on this side, and then up here on this side. And then if we push on this thing, and at the same time you can see that the airbag is now loose because I moved the pin on the bottom. Yeah. Oh, let's take a look inside. Oh, there's the pin. Can you see that? There's the pin. Okay, now I got two that are loose. Man, I can't see nothing. Where the heck is it? Oh, I see the pin. I see the pin. I don't know if you can see. I really only hope that you can. Okay, I did it. Sorry, I kind of blocked your view. Okay, so now you know that is how you remove the airbag on a 2022 GR86. Now I believe it's the same procedure for earlier cars and of course the BRZ. So from 2017 up, I believe same procedure. You got these two access holes, and then you just have to move those wire clips. You got 1, 2, and 3, but look at what I've done. Yes. Okay, first step, simply remove this negative. This comes out real simple. Okay, see there's little arrows right here. These clips have to come up like that and like that. Don't just pull on them. You got to get these two clips up. Now they can be taken off like that. That's one. Black goes with black, and then orange goes with orange. I have now removed the airbag. There you go. That's how you do it. Now you can easily see how I had to move the clips. Just move this up like that. And this one from below, you move up like that. And this one from below, you move up like that. Okay. Our delicate and rather expensive airbag has got to go back on. So the first thing to do is exact opposite of what I did before. Connect the orange to orange and push it down. Connect the black to black and push it down. Push it down. Okay, till it's flush, and then push in the pins. Push in one. Now it's locked in place. Now we get our negative, and we just put them right back onto our little connector right there. Rotate our airbag, line it up. We're lining up our little spring-loaded clips with this hole, and this hole on the bottom. Let's just put it in gently, and it'll sort of feel right, yes. Sort of feel right, and then push it in like so. The only thing left to do is to put these little access plates back in. They just snap in like that. Okay, the only thing left to do now is reconnect the negative terminal onto the battery, and then everything should be ready to go. There you go, airbag removal without killing yourself. So thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.